Shemai! Happy birthday. It's been a birthday week. Not me, my husband's had a big birthday. A lot of my friends have got big birthdays at the minute. Mine's later on in the year. So I've been playing Happy Birthday an awful lot. And I just thought it'd be nice to run through Happy Birthday, but I'm going to do it in a few different keys to suit different voices. Now that version you've just heard me playing was a tab version, and I will pop the tabs on the screen a bit later, but I'm going to run through the more traditional singing versions now. So why am I running through Happy Birthday in different keys? It's to suit different voices. Now obviously if you're a beginner, you might want to stick to the first one, which is easier chords, but it just gives you a little bit of variation to suit different voices. So the easiest version to play in C, it's got 4 chords. We've got a C, a C7, an F and a G7. So really nice easy chords. One of the hardest things about playing Happy Birthday is working out the note to start singing on before you play your ukulele. Okay, here we go. If I'm in C, the very first note I'm gonna sing is the 5th above, or a G. So I play my C. Okay, if I just play a normal C, okay, that's not the note we start singing on. We're starting singing on that note. All right, the first one is a bit high for me, so I'm going to start singing it lower. So it should go something like this. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you. Richard's my hubby. Okay, so let's just do that a little bit slower for this first one. So we're starting with our G. La la. Happy birthday. That's a C. Happy birthday. Then G7 to you. Happy birthday. Back to C to you. C7. Happy birthday, dear Richard. That's an F. Back to C, happy birthday to you. Okay, I know it's not very helpful when I'm stopping and starting, but just to give you an idea where the chords are with the actual words of the song. So once more through in C for happy birthday, count our first note, C, D, E, F, G. Na, na, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. C7, happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you. So the next one, we're going into the key of F. So the chords are going to be F, F7, C7 and B flat. And you can see the chord charts just coming up there. All right, so starting it in the same way, we start in 5 notes higher than the first chord. The first chord's an F. All right, so F, G, A, B, C. Our first word. Da, way too high for me, certainly going up the octave. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you. Okay, so that's in F. I think my husband's going to kill me after hearing all of these. All right, so F, F7, C7 and B flat if we're in F. Okay, in G this time. So the chords, if we're singing it in G, are going to be a G, a G7, a D7 and a C. Okay, it's always the first, the 4th and the 5th chords. Okay, so we're in G. The first note is going to be G, A, B, C, D. So you need to find a D on your ukulele. If we play the C string, C, C sharp, D. So, da, dum, dum, happy birthday. I'm going to try going up for this one. It could get interesting. Okay, so my first note, and we're in G. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you. See what I mean about the voice? So you've got to just try and find the right pitch for you to sing it in. And the last key I'm going to sing it in today is in D. All right, so the chords, if we're in D, are going to be a D, a D7, an A7, and a G. And if we're in D, our starting note is going to be D, E, F, G, A. So our first chord will be a D, but our starting note singing, no way can I sing this one up high. All right, so happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Richard. Happy birthday to you. So that's 4 different keys. Okay, they're all relatively easy chords, but the first one in C is by far the easiest chord. And again, choose which one suits your voice the best. Now at the start of the video, I played single note version, all right? So I'll put the tabs up now and run through that. It's actually in the key of F, this one, for anybody interested. But if you're not happy about singing it at all and you just want to play the notes in your ukulele, we'll try it now. Right, so the tabs have appeared. Okay, so that's just another way of playing it if you don't want to sing it. And as this is Ukulele Wales, I ought to do Pen-blwydd Hapus ET, Happy Birthday in Welsh. And I'm going to go back to doing the easiest versions, C, C7, F and G7. The hardest thing is finding that first note to start singing. Pen-blwydd Hapus ET, Pen-blwydd Hapus ET, Pen-blwydd Hapus I Richard, Pen-blwydd Hapus ET. So all you've got to do now is decide which key suits your voice the best. Learn that one, and whenever there's a birthday, you can just rattle it off. I do hope this video has helped. If you want to see the chords, all right, go to Jim's songbook, all right? I'll pop a link in the description below. It's one of the best resources for various chords and tabs on the internet, but he features all of these keys on his site. So Jim's songbook, link in the description below. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching.